Hey guys, good afternoon. Now, interesting topic today. What I've noticed going on, the Earth North Pole is moving at a rate that is baffling scientists, is baffling experts all over the world. No one can figure this out, and I don't think they will. Let me run down a few things, what's really going on. Now, for decades, hundreds of years, the Earth North Pole was actually located right there at Canada Arctic border, right over there, extreme north of Canada, right there at the Arctic border, right there. So, what's going on right now is that there is a great shift with the North Pole. It's rushing across the Arctic Ocean at a speed that experts and scientists have never seen before. Okay, now, just to let you know a little bit of how it normally behave for hundreds and hundreds of years, the North Pole was actually moving at around 6 to 5 miles per year. Now, today, the movement of the North Pole is moving at around 35 miles per year. That's literally 5 times faster than its normal movement, and that is highly unusual. All right, guys. Now, the one of the main reasons, guys, why the North Pole, what really changes the variation of the North Pole where it goes and why it move, is because of the core. The outer core have what is called molten iron. So the molten iron create the magnetic field. The waves. You ever seen Earth with these waves around it? These, you can't really see with the eyes, but you can see the variable of these waves that go from the north, go around Earth, and go all the way down to the South Pole. That is created by the core of the Earth, the outer core, because it have the molten iron around the actual core, which created the magnetic field. So basically, guys, if the North Pole of the planet is moving this drastically and behaving this bad, what that means is the Earth magnetic field obviously is not behaving normal either, because the North Pole and the magnetic field, they go hand in hand. They work together, folks. All right. Now the magnetic field is actually it is weakening at an alarming rate, extremely fast. All right, guys, I don't want to get too much into this. I'm just making you guys aware of what's going on. The North Pole is headed towards Siberia at a pace that boggles the mind. And this started actually in the early 2000s, and it have picked up speed since 2019. The speed of the North Pole have actually gained momentum. I said 5 years ago. And actually what I've noticed when I dig deeper into earthquakes, around that time is when the large masses and the quantity of quake actually started off. So, you get where I'm going with this. The North Pole, the Earth magnetic field, and earthquake, they all tie into each other. You see where I'm going, guys? Okay, here. Now, the quakes doesn't look like it's getting better anytime soon, the condition of the quakes. My observation with it is that it looked to me that it's going to get a hell of a lot worse. So using earthquake and the pattern of these earthquakes, and to see that it's going to get worse, tells me, doing critical thinking now, tells me that the movement of Earth North Pole is going to get even worse. Okay? Even the magnetic field is going to get worse. As I said, guys, the earth, the outer part, the core of the earth is like around 2,000 miles beneath the earth's surface, and it's behaving in a way that it's not usually behaved in. It's baffling experts, and they can't put their finger on it, and I don't think they're supposed to figure it out either. But using critical thinking here, folks, is that it doesn't look pretty. uh the North Pole, the movement of the North Pole is affecting weather patterns, summer, all weather, the summer, winter, all of it is being affected right now, and they all play a part in what's really going on here on Earth, for Earth, folks. So just to let you know that it's not just the animals that are acting weird. It's not just the people that are acting weird. Earth magnetic field, it's not normal anymore. It's not. It's have weakening to a point that it start to alarm experts. And the North Pole is moving at a rate that they've never seen this either. So the conclusion that I've come to, guys, and I said, is just my theory of what's coming and what's going to happen. Quakes are going to get worse, way bigger. And by the way, the new Madrid is going to get out of control. It's waking up, so get ready. There's a lot more quakes coming for you folks. Boston, get ready. New Jersey, get ready. Maine, Canada, get ready. The new Madrid is going to act up. So, and volcano is going to get worse. Storms are going to get worse during the summertime, and the winter is going to get worse because the planet is no longer behaving normal, folks. And who can define normal anymore? So we just have to, once you guys are aware of what's really happening, and that's basically what I'm trying to do, is just to put the information out there so you can know, how to prepare yourself. And as I said, folks, I'm not here to try to spread any form of fear or anything like that. It's not. And if you want to go do your due diligence, do your research, you see that what I'm saying is true. The expert, they can't put their hands on it. The new North Pole is headed towards Siberia and over there to Russia, and it's moving at 35 miles per year at this point, which is normally it move at 5 to 6 miles per year, so it have 6 times its speed. So this is what we have to get ourselves used to, because it's not something that modern humans are used to seeing. So obviously the way we live here on the planet is have to change, because the planet is no longer the same. Okay, folks? So it is a very interesting time that we live in. I think this, I've been studying about it for the past couple of days, and I just want to share it with you. It is interesting, man. So I hope that helps, and I just want to share that information because I've been thinking about it all day today, and I just want to share it. The North Pole of our planet is no longer the same, and keep in mind that true north and the North Pole is not the same. True north is where all the longitude line meet and cross each other. That's where the true north is. The North Pole is what affect compass, your smartphone, and believe it or not, military equipment, and also submarine, especially when they go in the Arctic. It will be their system. If the movement of the North Pole will affect their system, it is what it is, and also satellites. So this is our future, and we just have to get used to it. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I appreciate it, and for always sharing my video. So ciao.